It seems like XRP is destined for big things. XRP is going to be $50 and will be on US Exchange. Stay tuned to this video to know more. Welcome to Crypto Live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. A new era of cryptocurrencies and their underlying blockchain is here, and it is set to transform the financial landscape forever. At the same time, it is several decades before flying cars and robots with human-like characteristics. With the advent of the post-COVID-19 era comes an increasing need for a safe, secure, and seamless way to send money. As a result, cryptocurrency has become increasingly popular in recent years. In fact, Ripple's executive chairman spoke of the possibility of launching an XRP exchange-traded fund in the U.S. In his comments regarding the SEC's so-called shady demands for clarity and discovery, the Ripple CEO tipped off that they were also failing to provide the same in the area of regulation, which is the Commission's sworn duty. Several speculations have arisen since the newly launched Bitcoin Exchange-Traded Fund, or ETF, by ProShares was announced on October 19th on the New York Stock Exchange. Ethereum enthusiasts believe the price of Ethereum is susceptible to Bitcoin futures ETF surge. But experts predict more future ETFs will be launched in the United States and for some time to come. Then the ProShares Bitcoin futures contract was approved by the SEC after a 75-day review following the aforementioned assumptions. Therefore, experts and critics alike have all converged on this point, and we can only expect a few more such exchange-traded funds in the coming years. With regard to an exchange-traded fund pegged to Ripple, the CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, has expressed his concerns about the SEC choosing winners and losers in the cryptocurrency industry. On Monday, October 18th, during an interview between the two, Fox Business chief reporter Charles Gasparino asked about the prospects of an XRP exchange-traded fund being launched in the U.S. Then he added that the company is likely going to launch such a fund. Further, the comments of Mr. Garlinghouse on the possibility of an XRP exchange-traded fund reaching the U.S. market did not faze. In addition, he reiterates his frustration over the high degree of uncertainty and lack of clarity that have clouded the U.S. financial regulator arm's approach to cryptocurrency regulation. As Ripple's price has continued to suffer from fundamental uncertainty following the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple, the Ripple CEO has expressed his concerns on why the SEC prioritizes other assets with a greater capacity for energy consumption and emission rates like Bitcoin over a cryptocurrency with zero emissions. And this has led to the Ripple CEO pointing out many irregularities within the SEC. As a result of the approval of an ETF for Bitcoin, the Sustainable Climate Agenda has been ruled null. Additionally, Gensler's climate agenda and the tremendous power consumption and emissions required for transacting a single Bitcoin conflict with the climate protection policy of the Commission. And while there are many crypto enthusiasts who believe that the environmental concerns raised by Bitcoin mining hash rates growing in the U.S. may be history in a few years, others believe otherwise. Additionally, Square, Twitter's sister company, announced plans to create a Bitcoin mining system that uses custom silicon in order to reduce power consumption while also allowing the process to be accessible to all businesses, whether large or small. And by choosing a carbon-negative futures trading investment instrument, such as the XRP ETF over a Bitcoin, they are moving towards their dream of a carbon-positive cryptocurrency industry. Further, there are several reasons why such an ecosystem is increasingly needed, including China's crackdown on crypto mining, which has led to the U.S. contributing to the largest percentage of the Bitcoin mining hash rate. Then it also accounts for 35% of the total carbon emissions from Bitcoin mining worldwide. Because of this, Ripple's CEO has become agitated over the news. Additionally, as an exchange-traded fund, Bitcoin is a more convenient investment than XRP due to its increased mining opportunities. Consequently, the carbon footprint is greatly increased, which goes against the climate agenda of the Commission. Further, Mr. Garlinghouse, in a recent exclusive interview with a Fox Business News reporter, went on to compare Bitcoin's energy consumption to that of XRP, an aspect of the model cryptocurrency that has been criticized in recent times by critics as an unfair comparison with XRP. Moreover, Ripple officials noted that Bitcoin uses approximately 100,000 times as much energy as XRP. Then he also noted that a single Bitcoin transaction requires approximately 75 gallons of gasoline. As concerns over Bitcoin's carbon footprint have grown today, this is becoming an increasingly common sentiment. With this, the problem definition also created mixed reactions when it came to cryptocurrency trading. Further, Bitcoin is under fire for its high carbon emission rate from both supporters and critics alike. Furthermore, a $44 million eco-focused partnership between Ripple and Nebraska-based financial services provider Nelnet was recently announced. Through this project, the blockchain-based payment company Ripple will offset the amount of carbon that the crypto industry emits while increasing the number of solar energy products in the USA. Therefore, it is widely recognized that mining Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with clean energy and waste energy is growing stronger. Moreover, the CEO of Ripple goes on to declare that Ethereum, the second biggest cryptocurrency in the world, has been numb to Ripple's business. As a result, one ends up favoring assets while the other dips into innovation. Moreover, there are numerous Ether ETF requests awaiting approval from the SEC, since the financial agency is sitting on a pile of requests. Seeing this trend, Ripple's CEO hinted at launching a physical exchange-traded product, or ETP, for XRP, similar to the one provided by CoinShares. Additionally, XRP ETPs can be bought and sold the same way as shares or mutual funds after they debut on the stock market in the U.S., and this allows investors to invest through existing investment platforms or brokers in the XRP-linked futures contract, whereby a digital asset custodian will conveniently hold all of the XRP to be traded by an institutional-grade regulated digital asset exchange, so that these securities derive their value from the cryptocurrency that underpins them. Nevertheless, there is the question of whether the SEC will ever approve an ETF or ETP based on XRP. In light of the current lawsuit filed by the SEC against Ripple, do you think the SEC will be disposed to pass a reasonable judgment in the future about a Ripple exchange-traded fund? Ultimately, the answer to that question will depend on the outcome of the legal action between Ripple and the Bureau of Consumer Protection. For further and specific details, last April, CoinShares, Europe's largest digital asset investment firm, introduced the first exchange-traded product of its kind, CoinShares Physical XRP, with the ticker symbol XRPL. So it is CoinShares' 8th investment product and the company's 4th new product launch for 2021. In addition to the development of XRPL, CoinShares has launched an institutional-grade ETP platform, CoinShares Physical. Further, investors can gain passive exposure to Ripple XRP, the native token unit on the Ripple network, by purchasing XRPL at launch. At launch, each unit will be backed with 40 XRP. The XRPL shares were initially listed on the regulated SIX Swiss exchange and have a fee of 1.5% per annum. Moreover, Townsend Lansing, head of product, said, "We are excited to bring XRP to our physically backed ETP platform. At CoinShares, we build innovative products in response to demand from our clients. Once we determine that the professional caliber product is feasible, and it appears that demand exists to make a liquid market for trading the product, we bring the product to fruition, leveraging the extensive trading, custody, and compliance capabilities of the CoinShares Group." CoinShares, Europe's largest investment firm for digital assets, recently reached $5 billion in assets under management, exceeding the combined $2 trillion market cap for digital assets. In addition to the overall growth of digital assets, investors are also seeking more diverse investment products. CoinShares believes that crypto is for everyone, and they eagerly look forward to hearing their customers' ideas and feedback to develop publicly traded, widely accessible, and widely available products. Further, Frank Spiteri, Chief Revenue Officer of NEO, stated, "The digital asset ecosystem is vast and still growing at breakneck speed. As we continue to diversify our product offering in 2021, we are focused on providing investment exposure to those assets and networks that resonate most with our European client base." XRPL is CoinShares' second product launch of Q2, and we're looking forward to building on this momentum in the months ahead. Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Litecoin, LTC, and now XRP are among the investment products offered by CoinShares. And individual and institutional investors in Europe have access to these products. Furthermore, I believe there will be more partnerships for XRP coming in the future, so this could cause the price of XRP to go up to $50 or even more. That's all for this video about crypto, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.